question of our time. Are we alone? This experience takes you to alien worlds and distant places in time and space in search of where alien life might be hiding. New research and technologies have brought us closer than ever to an answer. The search has led to new discoveries that will blow your mind wide open and give a profound new perspective on human life. The deeper we look, the deeper we see into nature's imagination, and the more we learn about ourselves. This experience takes you on a tour through the possible forms alien life might take, from the early familiar to the utterly exotic, ranging from the inside of the earth to the most hostile corners of the universe.
Life may be there anywhere. The life around us is a staggering complexity, which is found by a complex evolution many years ago. The life is formed by chemistry. We are all the huge packages of chemistry.
Earth was in the right distance from star to contain huge oceans of liquid, and deep beneath those oceans, at cracks in the Earth's crust, fantastic chemistry began to happen. Atoms combined in all sorts of exotic combinations, which later formed a wonder called life. Here on our planet, microbes have adapted to survive the most hostile conditions: arid deserts, the frozen Himalayas, in trenches under thousands of tons of pressure in the ocean deeps. in the vacuum of a space simulator, life forms have been flourishing for years without oxygen. New research suggests that life emerged over 4 billion years ago, when Earth was an alien and a deadly place. The planet was ravaged by intense volcanism and an asteroid storm that lasted 100 million years. Yet, even in these extreme conditions, life quickly found a foothold. Very quickly. As soon as the earth cooled off after its formation, we know that life began here. Because it happened quickly here on earth, we think it is going to happen quickly on other planets as well. The story of Earth gives us hope that life could be universally common. there are more habitable Earth-mass planets in the observable volume of the universe than there are grain of sand on all the beaches on Earth.
But as Earth has taught us, life is remarkably adaptable. We can say that the life is not biologically prepared every time. It can be technically prepared. What forms might life take when it has trillions of years to evolve? The universe is nearly 14 billion years old. So, there could be life out there that could be dramatically more advanced than the life that we have here on this planet. How they would be? One day, somehow, the story of life will come to an end. If we are the first chapter of that story, we have the chance to carry the torch of life far into the future. And if biology does persist far into the future, then we live in a privileged moment. The expansion of space-time will make distant stars invincible, and the night skies will go dark. Perhaps life in the future will wonder what it was like to live in the universe's brilliant early days. We are lucky enough to know the answer. All we have to do is look up, go exploring.